At the first high-level national summit organized by the Ministry of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, participants appreciated that other avenues like the alternative dispute resolution mechanism can be implemented to help reduce case backlog, which remains a sticky issue in the judiciary. Professor Andrew Khaukha, the technical advisor in the judiciary, noted that the number of cases pending in the court is overwhelming.
Humanly speaking, the current caseload in the courts cannot be addressed by the current manpower and resources. We have a population of about 45 million Ugandans and above, and if you compare the ratio of judges and magistrates to the population and the case filings and the number of cases, we can never resolve these cases using the adversarial way of hearing them.
He highlighted some of the measures they intend to apply in adequately resolving court cases in an efficient manner.
One of the resolutions is growing alternative justice systems. We go back to our clans, train them on how best they can administer justice within the traditional setting without offending any provisions of the law, and also see how we can link our clan courts, our local courts, to the court system so that they can work together. And then, of course, as I indicated earlier, we plan this to be an annual event. But also, from the minister's remarks yesterday, government will be soon issuing a national ADR policy.
The team leader at Africa Law Practice Advocates, Francis Jimara, highlighted some of the measures people can take to resolve conflicts outside court.
We can mediate. You can get a third party to listen to both sides and help both sides to communicate better so that they resolve the conflict before them. You can also do arbitration. You get a third party. As long as your clause is in the agreement allows you to resolve dispute in that way, that third party writes a decision on your behalf, but you have participated in choosing that third party who probably has expertise about the subject you are conflicting about. There's also negotiation, just helping people negotiate. You know, you have a position, I have a position. How do we check out alternatives to ensure that we arrive at something that works for you and works for me?
Jimara also advocated for judges to accept to mediate other than dictate in seeking to resolve conflicts.
I submit that I am persuaded that a mediation mindset today will make me more relevant for my country and will involve me to get solutions that move people from the language. There are two languages. The language of law, where everything is legal. We hammer and hammer and hammer, using the law, the jurisprudence, and everything. But there's also the language of interests, which requires us to have a mediation mindset.
Alternative dispute resolution refers to several methods of resolving legal disputes outside the courtroom. Civil courts in Uganda encourage the use of court settlements to legitimate parties at any time before a judgment is rewarded by the court. Prima Awor, Church of Uganda Family TV News at 8.